Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu says, Hazrat Abu Talha had more date palm gardens than anybody else in the Ansar of Madinah Munawwara, and he liked Biruha out of all of his garden extremely much, which lied right in front of Masjid Nabawi. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam would off and on visit it and drink its nice water. When this verse, "You shall never attain good unless you spend your favorite thing," was revealed, Hazrat Abu Talha got up and submitted. O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu says that you shall never attain good unless you spend your favorite thing. And verily, I out of my all property, like Biruha, garden, the most, so I give it as a charity in the way of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, anticipating for acquiring the goodness, and that it may be a treasure with Allah Jalla Jalaluhu in the hereafter for me, in exchange, so you may apply it, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, to the purpose you like. The reporter says Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Bravo! It is a highly profitable bargain. It is a highly profitable bargain. I have heard what you said, but I think you should apply it to your kinsmen." Hazrat Abu Talha submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I will do so." So Hazrat Abu Talha applied it amongst his kinsmen and cousins. Abdullah bin Yusuf and Roh bin Ubadah reports, this is highly profitable property. Yahya bin Yahya says that he read it before Imam Malik rahmatullah alayhi like this, it is a beneficial property. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4554.